Over the past year, one cleaning trend called laundry stripping has been making a comeback. This is a deep cleaning process that involves taking just washed bed sheets and bath towels and soaking them in a solution of borax, washing soda, and detergent. Now, videos of this process have gone viral on TikTok and Instagram because for some, the water has turned a murky brown color. Proof that even supposedly clean linens may actually contain lingering grime and residue. If you're curious to find out exactly how clean your own bath towels are, follow along. I'm going to show you the steps to strip wash your laundry. You'll want to start with just washed laundry, either wet or dry. And for this process, you're going to need either a bathtub or a large bucket or a top-loading washing machine if you have one. Then to the tub or bucket, you want to add really hot water. Start with 1/4 cup borax, 1/4 cup washing soda, and a 1/2 cup of detergent, following a 1:1:2 ratio. You want to give this a stir and wait until it's fully dissolved before you add your laundry. Just make sure all of the fabric is fully submerged, then let it soak for about 4 hours or until the water is fully cooled. You want to give it a stir every now and then. Then after 4 hours, come back and check out the progress. As you can see, the water for ours turned a murky color and it is definitely working. Now, if the water turned a murky color, don't worry. If you washed any colorful fabrics, this may just be the result of the dyes running, which is why you always want to wash your white linens separately to avoid staining them. Then you just want to remove all of the laundry and give it one more wash in the water-only cycle of your washing machine. And ta-da! Go ahead and enjoy your ultra clean bed sheets and bath towels. Want to learn more cleaning hacks? Follow along on realsimple.com.